Hello everyone and welcome back. It's 39 degrees this morning. Well, I guess it's about 10:45 right now. It was supposed to start raining here by 10:45. So I'm trying to get my onions in here before the rain comes. It's just going to be kind of chilly all this whole week. Spring kind of teased us with a couple of 70-degree days, and then boom, we're back to late winter. I'm trying to get the onions planted and get lunch. It'll be lunch and a couple of suppers cooking here at the same time, trying to beat the rain. This year with the onions, I'm going to do one row of onions. The row is about 32 feet long. I know last year I did the 6 inches in between. It's easier to weed that way, but to be honest, it's still a pain even at 6 inches to weed. So I'm just going to do the 3 inches because I get twice as many onions. And then I'll just have to hand weed around them, but I end up doing that anyway with the 6 inch. So anyway, we'll gonna do a third of the row in white, a third of the row in yellow, and a third of the row in red. These are gonna be like table onions, not green onions, so I just want the bottoms in. I want it to be just like this. If you want to plant them down a couple inches under the soil, then you're going to end up with green onions and you're not going to get a big bulb at all. So you want to plant them just like that. I got the white ones planted. Now I'm going to switch to yellow, but I have to get a few things put on that grill right now. I have some smoked turkey wings here. I like buying these. I mean, $7 worth of turkey. You're going to be eating on it for 3 days. A little slippery. All right, we'll go plant the yellow ones, come back and check on this. Well, that didn't take too long. I think we have time to get the reds in before I have to check anything. Well, the rain just started. It's actually coming down as rain and sleet a little bit. I planted these onions 30 inches away from the potatoes. I'm going to get better yield on this side than the back side, like always, because that tree right there, it kind of blocks out the morning sun for a while, so it gets a couple hours of less sun in the back than it does in the front. Okay, everyone. Well, thanks a lot for watching. Now we just have to sit around and wait for it to warm up a little bit. And we can get the rest of the garden in. I will see you guys on the next video.